Hello students, exercise 1.3, question number 3. If u is equal to set of all a, b, c, d, e, f, g, h, and a is equal to set of all b, d, f, h, and b is equal to set of all a, d, e, h, find the following sets. So you have to find the following. The first one is A complement. The first one is A complement. You know the formula for A complement. The formula for A complement is U difference A. U difference A. So first we have to listing the elements of U. Elements of U are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Difference elements of A. Set of all B, D, F, H. Then we have to find out the difference between U and A. The set of all elements belongs to U but does not belongs to A. So U la irukra elements edella A la irukko adella vitittu remaining mattum எழுதணும். So now let us check. So B irukku, so எழுதக்கூடாது. Then D also, so D எழுதக்கூடாது. Then B, D, F, H and F and H. These are the elements in the common. So we have to write the remaining elements. The remaining elements are A, C, E, G, C. Also H is the common, so we can cancel the H. So 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 elements commons. You can write the remaining A, C, E, G. So these are the elements of A complement. Then second one, B complement. The second one is B complement. B complement is equal to the same formula, U difference B. Whatever the complements we have to subtract from U. We have to difference from U. So first listing the elements of U. Set of all elements of U are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Difference elements of B are A, D, E, H. So we have to write the difference between U and B. Now we can cancel the common elements. So A is the common, so cancel it. Then D is the common, so cancel it. Then E also in the both, so E also we have to cancel it. Then H also common, so cancel the H. So write the remaining. So elements of U minus B are B, C, F, G. These are the elements of B complement. Next, third one, A complement union B complement. A complement union B complement. So now the formula is there is no formula for this. Just we can union the both sets. So just we can applying the elements of A complement B complement, then we can write the all the elements together. So first A complement is A, C, E, G. Then union, symbolic union. Then B complement elements B, C, F, G. So now we have to write all the elements together. So if the elements comes twice, we have to write only one time. So A, B is there in the B complement. So B, then C, E, then F, then G, then there is no H up to G only. So let us check. A we have written already, C also written, E also we have written, G have written, B already written, C also, F also, G also. Okay. So these are the elements of A complement union B complement. Next, fourth one. The fourth one is A complement intersection B complement. So this also we are listing the elements of A complement and B complement. Then write the common elements. So elements of A complements are A comma C comma E comma G. That is, these are the elements of A complement. Next, intersection. For this intersection, elements of B complement. The elements of B complements are B, C, F, G. So B comma C comma F comma G. So now we have to write the common elements in the both sets. Rendu set la irukra common elements. So what are the common elements in the both sets? So C is the common, then G also is the common. So C and G only the common elements. So write that C comma G. It is A complement intersection B complement. Then fifth one. The fifth one is A union B the whole complement. A union B the whole complement. So A union B the whole complement. We have to first find A union B. We have to first find A union B. So A union B is equal to set of all elements of, first write the elements of A. Elements of A are B comma D comma F comma H union. Elements of B. Elements of B are A comma D comma E comma H. These are the elements of B. These are the elements of A. So you are writing the all the elements together. So cell elements that is union. So first we can write A in alphabetic orders, then B, there is no C, then D, E is there, so F, there is no G, so then G, there is no G, last one is H. This is A union B. Now we have to find the A union B the whole complement. A union B the whole complement is equal to U difference A union B. U difference A union B. So whatever the complement, we have to difference from U. So A union B the whole complement equal to A U difference A union B. So first listing the elements of U. Elements of U are A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma G comma H. Difference elements of A union B there. So write the elements of A union B. So A comma B comma D comma E comma F comma H. So now we can find out the difference between the U and A union B. So write the elements of U, which is belongs to U but does not belongs to A union B. U la irukano and the elements A union B la irundichina vittu remaining elements எழுதலாம். So now let us check. A வந்து ரெண்டுத்துலயுமே இருக்கு, so cancel it. B also both. Then D is the ரெண்டுத்துலயும் இருக்கு, so cancel it. Then E, then F, then H. So these are the common elements. So these are the elements we have to subtract it. We have to reject it. So we have to write the remaining. So C, then remaining is G. So C comma G. So C comma G is the A union B the whole complement. A union B the whole complement. Next one is sixth one. The sixth one is A intersection B the whole complement. So before finding A intersection B the whole complements, we have to find A intersection B. So A intersection B is equal to set of all elements of A, B comma, these elements of A first, B comma, D comma, F comma, H, intersection elements of B, A comma, D comma, E comma, H. Now we can write only the common elements, that is set of all. What are the common elements? D is the common elements, then H is the common elements. So two only the common, D and H is the common element. D and H are the common elements. இது 2 மட்டும் தான் இதுல ரெண்டுத்திலுமே இருக்கு, both the setsலயும் காமனா இருக்கு. So D comma H. So D comma H. Next, therefore A intersection B is equal to set of all D comma H. Now we can find the A intersection B the whole complement. A intersection B the whole complement is equal to U difference A intersection B. U difference A intersection B. Whatever the complement, we have to difference from U. Now listing the elements of U. The elements of U are A comma, B comma, C comma, D comma, E comma, F comma, G comma, H. Difference elements of A intersection C are D comma H. Now we have to find the difference. So we have to write the difference. So we have to strike out the common elements D, then H. So what are the remaining elements? The remaining elements are A comma, B comma, C comma, E comma, F comma, G. So then these are the elements of A intersection B the whole complement. Then eighth one is A complement the whole complement. So you know the formula for A complement, that is U minus, that is U difference A. If you need A complement the whole complement, means we have to difference A complement from U. So A complement means U difference A. A complement means U difference A. Suppose A complement the whole complement means U difference A complements. Whatever the complements, we have to subtract from the universal set. Now listing the elements of U. The elements of U are A comma, B comma, C comma, D comma, E comma, F comma, G comma, H. Then difference. So elements of A complement. We have found already A complement. So now we can apply it. A comma, C comma, E comma, G. So first point நம்ம A complement கண்டுபிடிச்சோம், அதோட வேல்யூ நம்ம அப்ளை பண்ணிக்கிறோம். Now we have to find the difference between the U and A complement. So first we can strike out the common elements. A cancel, C, then E, then G. So these are the commons. That is all the elements, set of all elements belongs to U but does not belongs to A complement. U la irukra elements A complement la irundha remaining edha A complement the whole complement. So here set of all elements, what's remaining? B comma, D comma, F comma, H. So these are the elements of A complement the whole complement. So we know already the formula. The formula is A complement the whole complement is equal to A. So this is nothing but this is A. So நம்ம questionலயே கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, இது எதோட வேல்யூ? A ஓட வேல்யூ. இப்போ A complement the whole complement is equal to A. Then the last point, that is ninth one, B complement the whole complement. So we have to, that is the formula is U difference B complement, U difference B complement. Now listing the elements of U. The elements of U are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Difference elements of B complements நம்ம already கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்சிருக்கோம். We have found already. These are B, C, F, G. These are the elements of B complement. Second point la கண்டுபிடிச்சு வச்ச answer B complement. So now we have to find out the elements of B complement, the whole complement. So now we can first cancel the common elements. B cancel, C cancel, F cancel, G cancel. What's remaining? The B complement, the whole complement, the set of all elements belongs to U but does not belongs to B complement. U la irukra set elements edana B complement la irundha vittu remaining elements edha B complement, the whole complement. So we can write now A, D, E, H. These are the elements of B complement, the whole complement. So we know already in the question it is nothing but it is B. So that is B complement, the whole complement is equal to B. Okay, thank you students.